the structure of our device. There are 4 LDRs separated by walls. If the sun is directly above these sensors, all the sensors get the same sunlight and nothing will happen. But if the sunlight moves, let's assume if the sun moves in negative y direction, sensor A will get a shadow due to the walls. Then the device will recognize it and command the motors to turn the panel around x-axis. Then, after some time, the sensor A will get sunlight back again and further rotation will be stopped. Same as that, if the sun moves along x direction, the C will get shadow and the device will rotate around y-axis. After some time, C will get sunlight back again and rotation will be stopped.
Let's run the simulation. This is our schematic diagram. These two sensors are used to track the sun around x-axis, and these two sensors are used to track the sun around y-axis. This is our PIC microcontroller. Two stepper motors to rotate solar panel around x-axis and y-axis. And these are two L293D motor driver ICs. And this light sensor is used to cut the power at night time. Let's think that all 4 sensors are getting sunlight. At that moment, stepper motors are not working. If one sensor of x-axis does not get sunlight, this stepper motor will rotate till it gets sunlight back, and stepper motor will stop working after getting sunlight. If the other sensor of x-axis does not get sunlight, stepper motor will rotate to the other direction and it will stop after sensor getting light. Other two sensors are also work in the same way as before and control the other stepper motor. Let's consider a moment two sensors of both axes do not get sunlight. Then only one stepper motor will rotate first, and after that next motor start to rotate till the sensor getting sunlight. At the night time, power supply will disconnected by this light sensor using this relay circuit.
In our code, first we use C-block function to define two registers to used in delay functions. Then we come to the star. In this star, we define port B as output and port A as input. Then we have main use test function and the clock, anti-clock and delay functions. Clock functions and anti-clock functions are set to rotate the stepper motor 4 steps in given direction. Then we come to the test function. In test 1, we use with test f skip if clear function. If the sunlight is not available in that LDR, gives 0 to the port A. Then with test f skip clear function will skip the next iteration. Then it will call the clock function and the stepper motor will be rotated 4 steps and then go to the next iteration, which is come back to the same loop. This loop ran until the sunlight is available to LDR. Then it gives 1 to the port A and with test f skip clear function will not skip the next instruction. Then program will move to the next test function. Check the status of next LDR. If anytime sensor will be recognized there is no sunlight of the The motor command will be called and the panel will be rotated towards that direction until the sensor gets sunlight back. In delay functions are used to maintain the time gap between two steps of stepper motor. Thank you.